Hey, what's up? So I just realized that my website sucks really bad, and I decided to do a redesign of it. And along with this redesign, I thought this might be a good opportunity to create some videos with basic website creation principles and all that great stuff. So in this video, I'm going to go over just create a basic HTML page. I hope this helps you. If you don't know who I am, I'm Jason. I'm a developer with 10 years experience, and my goal is to help you succeed at being a developer. With that said, let's jump right in. So what we have here is Visual Studio Code open. Visual Studio Code is personally like one of my favorite editors to use. If you are interested in using it, I'll provide the link to the download in the description. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we have to give the document type. So the document type is used to tell the browser what type of document to expect. So if you look here, one of the things I like about these browsers are that it gives you hints and suggestions on things that you're trying to do, and allows me to push tab because it kind of assumes that I'm creating an HTML document. And there we have the document type. So the next thing that we need to do is actually create the HTML tag. So this HTML tag is where we'll put all the information that the browser will need in order to process this document. Now, let's talk a little bit about opening and closing tags. So if we look here, we have this is considered an opening tag, all right, and this is considered a closing tag. The reason this is considered a closing tag is because it has this less than and then this character right here. All right, so that's what kind of determines an opening, makes it a closing tag. So each tag needs to have an opening and a closing, except for this one. This one is kind of its own tag at the top of the document. All right, so what I like to do is just kind of give a separate line to my tag so I can read a little bit easier, and also give an indent here for the next tag. So let's get started with that. So inside of these tags, inside of your HTML tag, there are two very important tags that you will have. You will have the head tag, which gives some information about how the browser should process this document or linking other documents that are needed for this document, and we'll kind of get into that a little bit. But for right now, we have the head tag, and we also have the body tag. So the body tag will contain the majority of the stuff that you actually see on the screen. So this is where we put all of our text and all that great stuff inside of the body tag. All right, so let's just kind of show an example for the body tag. So what if I just gave the standard hello world here inside of our body tag, and now I'm going to save it. Now the good thing about HTML documents is that I can go and look at these in a browser. I can just open this file that's on my computer in a browser on my computer and take a look at it for a simple web page that we've done so far. So let's take a look at that. So if you look here, here's my web page, and I actually have hello world here. So that's pretty cool. So what if I went back to my Visual Studio Code, and then I just gave a little response here that says, hello world, how are you doing? I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to come right back to my web page here. Now one of the things you have to do is you have to reload the page. So I'm going to reload the page there, and there you can see how are you doing. All right, now notice here that we just have, it says index.html. So that's why inside of our head tag, one of the first tags we want to put in there is the title. The title kind of tells the user what is the name of this page instead of just the page number. So we're going to call this one Jason's redesign. Then we're going to save that. Let's go back to our browser. Let's do a reload. And there you see that we've created the title there. All right. So there you have it. That's your first web page. From there, you can type all the stuff that you want to type and move forward from there. So that was some pretty basic stuff. I plan to at least once a week release a video showing just some different things in progress, or in pointing out some different things that I think may be helpful to others. If you have anything specific that you would want me to point out, just leave a message in the comments and I'll consider making a video about it. If you learned something in this, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to continue on and just kind of see how this progresses and level up your skills, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Until then, see you guys later.